Tristan Thompson. He just got busted for 25 games for violating the league's anti-drug program. So basically, he took PEDs. This news didn't jump out to me at first until I saw what he got busted for. Ibutamoren and SARM LGD 4033. You're probably thinking, Nick, what the hell are these scientific terms? Please enlighten me. Well, I got you. Don't worry. Ibutamoren, or MK677, this helps you increase your growth hormone and insulin-like growth factors, or IGF-1, by binding to the ghrelin receptor in your brain. So basically, what it does is it helps you increase lean body mass, increase recovery, and just speed up the process of cell and tissue repair. Next, we have the SARM LGD 4033. So first, let's break down what a SARM is. This is a selective androgenic receptor modulator. Basically, this mimics the effects of androgens in your body. Androgens are the male sex hormone, and just enhances that. And then the LGD 4033 specifically is androgenic in your bones and muscles. So basically, it promotes muscle growth and enhances bone density. I find this news fascinating because, in all honesty, I am sure that most athletes are doping. They just don't get caught, right? They have people in the lab, they have chemists that are finding ways to formulate things to not show up positive on the test they do to test for PEDs. And Tristan getting caught, either one, he's dumb. I mean, he was part of the Kardashian family, so maybe he just made a mistake and cut a corner. Or two, he got paid off by someone to basically just set the example of, like, we are still cracking down on these things. Do not do these things. When in reality, they know that a lot of people are doing them. Same goes for, UFC fighters, NFL players. I mean, look at Aaron Rodgers. He recovered from that Achilles injury rather quickly. And I don't think he ever tested positive for anything, but if I had to put money on it, I would definitely put money on he was taking peptides to help him speed up that recovery process. The other thing I find interesting with this is you can mimic the effects of Ibutamoren and the SARMs with natural supplements. So for Ibutamoren, that's big on growth hormone, growth factor. You can just take colostrum. Colostrum is a food that comes from cows, goats, even humans, right? But it's a food you can also buy in a supplement that has those same effects, and you won't get busted for it. Actually, you will get busted for it if you're a pro athlete, but it's not like synthetic. It's not made in the lab. And the downsides are definitely less so than the synthetic compounds. And then for the SARM, obviously those can have downsides depending on how you take it. But if you want to mimic the androgenic activity that has, you can just take things like Shilajit or L-carnitine. So basically, I just gave you a natty PED stack. Overall, it's a very interesting scenario. I'm curious to see what the fallout's going to be.